Look at what we have here. We have 3 old General Electric central air conditioners. It's the top on this one is breaking. This one's fully intact. And then that one over there just has none at all. It's got an old Climatuf down in there. Here's the data. Last numbers are A35. I'll have to decode that. Does not appear any of them have been running. Yeah, that's got an old Climatuf, it looks like. This one's a 4-ton. The other one was a 5-ton.
Yeah, that's a 4-ton.
And here's a smaller one that's missing its fan grill. It's again a Climatuf. That one you can see a little bit better. And this logo is kind of peeling off. Oh, this is one with a data sheet at the bottom. There we go. Very nice pack of central air conditioners right here. Here we have an old Lennox HS6 central air conditioner. We also got 2 Trane XR11s. Has not been running, as to be expected. It is from 1975. And I don't think the model number is still legible. Beautiful, beautiful old units here. Check out these XR11s real quick. Just shut off. 2004 3-ton. This is very small for a 3-ton, I must say. Really wasn't working that great. This one though is working amazing. This was a 3.5-ton from 2005. So, interesting pack of central air conditioners right here, especially this old guy. Another old HS6 right here. Also from 1975. Does not appear to have been running either. And we got 2 more old GEs with missing plastic guards. It's just got a slightly different logo, or maybe it's just a bit faded. Alright, that'll be about it.